Hello guys, so welcome to part 7 of our quick start tutorial on TextBlob. So we are going to talk about the words inflection and lemmatization. This is our part 7 of our video. So let's talk a little bit about what's word inflection and lemmatization. So words inflection is a change of form of a word that the way it is used in a sentence. For example, you can get the singular of a word. Maybe if you are given like cats, you get a singular form of that word to cat. That's inflection. Or maybe you can get the pluralization of the word like dog to dogs. So that's the changing of form in a way it's used in a sentence. The other thing is lemmatization. Lemmatization is to reduce the different form of a word to a one single form. For example, you are given the built, building, or built. You can lemmatize all those words into build. And that's what we are going to do today on our video. We're using Python TextBlob. So we can head on to our text editor. This is the text we are going to use. Dog or cat makes amazing pets. So as as the name suggests, it's a word inflection. So the first thing first we are going to get is to import the word from TextBlob. Import word. We are going to pass the word using word into this function. So again, from our TextBlob, you are supposed to tokenize the text to get the words. So to get the words from our text or the TextBlob, we're going to use words is equals to blob dot words. Or maybe you can get the words from blob dot sentence, of which is a wrong process dot words. This is one of the same thing, but this is a wrong process. So after you get the words, you can then now pluralize, try to pluralize or singularize the words. For example, we can do the pluralization of the word dog. So when you get the words, these are going to be contained in a list. Each has a word. Dog or cat makes amazing pets. You can print so that you can see how it looks like. So those are the words. Then let's pluralize the first word from the list. From the list we are going to get here. You can pluralize. So words, to get the first word you use the index 0 dot pluralize function. Then we can singularize the last word, the pets. As I explained, this is like a normal Python string. So the way you get the last word from a list using the -1, the same thing you are going to use on the TextBlob. According to the second video for this series, we explained that TextBlob are like Python strings. So to get this last word, you can use -1, then you singularize the word. And that's the simple terms of explaining the words inflection. Let's see. Let's run the program. That is it. You can see the words. These are the words as we explained. As I explained from on how to get the words from the TextBlob. So we get the pluralization and the singularization of the words as I explained. So the next thing we are going to do is lemmatization. So lemmatization, as explained here, you reduce the form of a word to a single form. So to lemmatize a word, you also use the, now we are going to use the word that we imported here. So let's define the word is equals to word. Then you can pass in the, when you call the word function, you pass in the word that you want to lemmatize. Maybe you can use the For example, was. Let's lemmatize was. Let's get the lemmatize the word was. So you can get the adjective of the word like the adjective of the word. You see lemmatization. So you use word dot lemmatize. Then you pass in the you want to get the adjective of the word. So let's print the adjective of the word was. The other thing we can maybe get a verb of the word like is. Let's define another one. Word. Let's pass in is. Just print directory. So word dot lemmatized pass in verb v v for verb. So let's print that. You can see this is the adjective of the word was. When you lemmatize for adjective, you get bad. Again, the verb for word is. When you lemmatize using the word is to get the verb of the word is, you get be. And that's how you can do. That's just a simple explanation on how to do the words inflection and lemmatization. So, but if you have any complicated way on how to words inflection and lemmatization and you don't know how to go about it, you can just ask on the comment section, and I will be there to answer any of your question. So, thank you.